dear friends, on this graceful Brahma Muhurta, I would like to welcome from the bottom of my heart each and every one. And it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share some concepts on yoga. Let me start the session by chanting Omkara, followed by salutation to Patanjali Maharshi. Now, today you can take Vajrasana, a meditative posture. Now, before entering into any sitting posture, we start with Dandasana. Dandasana, you can either take the Dandasana like this, or little relaxedly, you can take Dandasana like this. I fold the left leg like this, and I take the right leg. Friends, there are three stages of asana: entering the asana, staying in the asana, and coming back is very, very important. There are three stages. I take Vajrasana like this, then I place the left toe on the right toe like this, and I sit like this. It will be very, very comfortable. So I sit in.
Sir, you have to move forward and show us because we can't see your foot, how you are putting. Can you please move forward? Thank you.
Now,
that's good, sir. We can see.
Now, I place the left foot on the right foot and I comfortably sit like this. It will be more comfortable. So I'll be sitting in Vajrasana like this. It is one of the meditative posture. Friends, if I am not taking any mudra, if I am sitting like this is called as Mukta Vajrasana. Mukta Vajrasana. Now I take the Dhyana Mudra and place on my knees. Friends, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम् मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपार्करोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनाम् पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिनाथोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिनाथोऽस्मि ॐ Friends, as I said, there are 3 stages in asana: entering the asana, staying in the asana, and releasing in the asana. Now I am staying in the asana. Now I release the Vajrasana. I take the 2 legs here. I come to Dandasana. Now I go to Padmasana, my favorite sitting posture, Padmasana. Well, I have brought a beautiful sloka about Prana Vidya. The Vedas and Upanishads says, Prana Vidya Mahavidya Yastam Vedasa Vedavad. The Vedas and Upanishads says, Prana Vidya is Mahavidya. Friends, Prana Vidya is not an ordinary Vidya. It is Mahavidya. That is what the Vedas and Upanishads are saying. Well, if Shwasa is there in the nose, is Shiva. If Shwasa is not there in the nose, is Shava. Nose is the gateway of energy. Many major pranayamas we practice by nose. Very rare asanas we practice by the mouth. Nose is the gateway of energy. Friends, we have a beautiful nose. We have left nostril and right nostril. Now, if you are right-handed, you can take the right hand. Now, put down your first 2 fingers. Now, this will be Vishnu Mudra. This is, friends, this is Vishnu Mudra. If you are a left-hander, you can put down the 2 fingers. Now, this is Vishnu Mudra. So, it depends upon you. I am right-handed. I take Vishnu Mudra. I put down the first 2 fingers. Now, this is very comfortable to control the nostrils. So, this we name as Vishnu Mudra, Lord Vishnu Mudra. I place this Vishnu Mudra on my nose and very comfortably you can place these 2 folded fingers on your third eye. Very comfortably you can put on the third eye so that the third eye is also activated. This is Vishnu Mudra, friends. Now, I come to the practical aspect of pranayama. I come to Vastrika pranayama. This Vastrika pranayama here I am applying to clean the nasal passages. Now there are 3 types of Vastrika pranayama: Samanya Gati, Madhyama Gati, and Tivra Gati. Now I practice the Vastrika pranayama Nidana Gati. I take Vishnu Mudra. What is Nidana Gati? Nidana Gati means 1 stroke per 1 second. So 1 stroke per 1 second. Now this is Vama Vastrika. Vama means left. 1 stroke per 1 second, like this. Come on, friends, please practice with me. I take Vishnu Mudra, Kama Basrika. I open my left nostril, Nidana Gati, 1 stroke per second. So we perform 10 strokes, Nidana Gati, 1 stroke per 1 second. Then Dakshina Bastrika. Again, remember that we are using this to clean the nasal passages. Dakshina Bastrika, Dakshina means right. I close the left nostril by the 2 fingers. I open the right nostril. Now, Vama Bastrika, please practice with me. Vama Bastrika, 1 stroke per second. Take a deep breath. Inhale, slowly exhale. Second round, friends. I open the right nostril. Nidana Gati. Nidana Gati means slowly 1 stroke per second. 10 strokes. Then take a deep breath. Exhale. Now, after compressing the lung cells, you want to release that. Compressing and releasing is very, very important. Now, for releasing, we give more importance rather than compressing. Compressing is very, very easy. Releasing, relaxing is very, very important. Friends, this is Vastrika Pranayama Nidana Gati. We are using to clean the nasal passages. Next, Vastrika Pranayama Madhyama Gati. Madhyama Gati means 2 strokes per second. 2 strokes per second. Friends, we are using the right hand as Vishnu Mudra. Now we have left hand. We have left hand. I have placed the left hand on the left knee. Now, this the left hand can be used to count the strokes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I go to Vishnu Mudra. Now this is Dakshina Basrika. Dakshina Basrika Nidana Gati. Like this. We have practiced that. Now, Vama Basrika Madhyama Gati. Like this, I open the left nostril. Madhyama Gati. What is Madhyama Gati? 2 strokes per second. Friends, like this. Then take a deep breath. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now, Dakshina Basrika Madhyama Gati. Madhyama Gati means 2 strokes per second. Then take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. Slowly exhale. Now Dakshina Basrika again. 2 strokes per second. Slowly exhale. Now we have practiced Bastrika, Vama Bastrika, Dakshina Bastrika, Nidana Gati. Nidana Gati means 1 stroke per second. Madhyama Gati means 2 strokes per second. Now Tivra Gati. Tivra Gati is 200 strokes per minute. Now if we are in Tivra Gati, we cannot count. We cannot count actually. Now we want to take the help of a timer. Tivra Gati. Now I don't want to practice here for 1 minute. Just I demonstrate Tivra Gati. Vama Bastrika. Tivra Gati, like this. I take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Now, Dakshina Bastrika, I open the right nostril, friends. Dakshina Bastrika, Tivra Gati. Now I inhale deeply, relaxing the lung muscles is lung cells is very important. Slowly exhale. Again, inhale deeply. Friends, inhale deeply. Slowly exhale. Now, this is Bastrika to clean the nasal passages. Now, Bastrika 2. Bastrika 2, alternate nostrils Bastrika. Again, alternate nostrils means we are using both the nostrils. Nidana Gati, like this. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Come on, friends, please practice with me. I take the Vishnu Mudra, alternate nostrils. I can count from the left hand. Nidana Gati. Nidana Gati means it is 1 stroke per second. So we are instantly exhaling by both the nostrils. This is alternate Bastrika, alternate nostrils Bastrika, Nidana Gati. Madhyama Gati. Madhyama Gati means 2 strokes per second. Please observe me first. It is like this. I take a deep breath. Slowly I exhale. Come on, friends, please practice with me. Alternate nostrils Bastrika. Nidana Gati. Nidana Gati means Nidana Gati. This is Madhyama Gati. 2 strokes per second. 2 strokes per second. Like this. Come on, please practice with me. Then take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Now, alternate nostrils Bhastrika Tivragati. Tivragati means 200 strokes per minute. Now if we are on Tivragati, now the mind automatically comes to the Bhastrika. We cannot concentrate on counting. To count, we want to use the timer. Now this is alternate nostril Bhastrika Tivragati. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Friends, please practice with me. Alternate nostril Bhastrika Tivragati. Tivragati, just we practice for 15 to 20 seconds. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Take a deep breath. We relax 3 times. Take a deep breath, friends. Slowly exhale. Slowly take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. So, we give importance to relax the lung muscles. Relaxing after compression. Now, releasing is very, very important. Releasing is very, very important. Friends, this is Bhastrika to clean the nasal passages. Now, if you want to practice pranayama, the nasal passages must be clean. The nasal passages must be clean. Now, anuloma viloma. Anuloma viloma. Anuloma viloma, friends, is also called as Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama. As the name itself suggests, it is Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama. What is Nadi? Nadi is an energy channel. What is the dimension of a Nadi? Now, if we take one hair, of course, I don't have hair on my head. If I take one hair follicle, if I divide that hair follicle 1,000 times, the diameter of a singular nadi is no more than the hair width of a singular nadi. If you take 1 in 1,000, now the diameter of a nadi is no more than the hair width of 1,000 hair width of a singular nadi. It is such a minute. It is such a minute energy channel. Energy channel. Now, friends, this was this was invented by Goraksha Maharshi. What about nadis was invented by the Goraksha Maharshi. Not only extremely sorry. Not only invented the nadis, actually counted how many nadis in the human body. Goraksha Maharshi says there are 72,000 nadis in the human body emerging from Brahmarandra. Emerging from Brahmarandra, half 36,000 nadis are spreading from Brahmarandra to the left side of the body. Another 36,000 nadis from Brahmarandra, emerging from Brahmarandra, are spreading to the right side of the body. So Goraksha Maharshi says there are 72,000 nadis. Dear friends, the modern medical science is not aware of this nadis. Now, thousands of years back, Goraksha Maharshi gave the knowledge about nadis. Not only, friends, we know about the nadis, energy channels. These are energy channels. 72,000 energy channels, 36,000 on the left side, 36,000 on the right side. These are energy channels. Then, if we come to higher version, Prapancha Sara Sangraha says that there are 1,50,000 nadis. There are 1,50,000 nadis emerging from Brahmarandra. 75,000 nadis spreading to the left side of the body, and another 75,000 nadis spreading to the right side of the body. So there are 1,50,000 energy channels emerging from the Brahmarandra. Then Shiva Samhita, again the higher version. Shiva Samhita says that, friends, there are 3 lakh nadis, 300,000. There are 3 lakh nadis emerging from Brahmarandra, 1,50,000 nadis spreading to the left side of the body, and another 1,50,000 nadis spreading to the right side of the body. There are 3 lakh nadis, 3 lakh energy channels emerging from Brahmarandra and spreading throughout the body. So this is what the different, the Goraksha Maharshi, Prapancha Sara Sangraha and Shiva Samhita says. Now, Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama. Just you observe this, then we practice this in the next session. What is this Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama? I go for Vishnu Mudra. I place the Vishnu Mudra on my nose, the 2 fingers on my third eye, the 2 fingers on my left nostril, 1 finger on the right nostril. I open the left nostril, I exhale. We give more importance to exhale, to throw the toxins first outside. I exhale, friends, from the left nostril. I slowly inhale deeply. I close the left nostril. I slowly exhale from the right nostril. Next, I slowly inhale. I close the right nostril. I open the left nostril. Exhale slowly. This is 1 round. Another 2 rounds. I inhale from the left nostril slowly. I exhale from the right. I inhale from the right. Slowly, I exhale from the left. Second round is over. Third round, we are entering the third round. Inhale from the left nostril. Gently exhale from the right. Inhale from the right nostril. Gently exhale from the left. Friends, now this Anuloma Viloma, as you know, is also called as Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama. We are using this Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama, as the name itself suggests, to clean the nadis, to clean the 3 lakh nadis in our system. Friends, this is a soundless breathing. Now we are not making any sound. Now Bhastrika Pranayama was a breathing with a sound, hissing sound. Now this Anuloma Viloma is a pranayama without sound. Now we cannot practice like this. That is not correct, friends. Now this is a soundless breathing. Soundless breathing. Now, sound not only it is soundless breathing. Now, this Anuloma Viloma, I am inhaling from the left. Friends, I am exhaling from the right. Now, if I am exhaling on the right, this Anuloma Viloma Pranayama should be in a minute state. It should be practiced in a minute state. What is this minute state? Suppose if I take a rose, now in that rose, suppose if I pluck one petal, if I hold in my right hand, now suppose if I'm exhaling from the right nostril, if I place that petal here, that petal very close to my right nostril, if I exhale, during the process of exhaling, now the rose petal should not vibrate. The rose petal should not vibrate. It should be in such a minute exhalation. Now, even if I come to left hand side, left nostril, you want to exhale it should be soundless and very minute. If I place a uh, leaf of rose here, while exhaling, the leaf should not vibrate. It should be in such a minute. It should be such a minute inhalation and exhalation. Last one round, I go to Vishnu Mudra. I close the right nostril. I exhale from the left. Slowly, I inhale from the left nostril without any sound. Gently, I exhale through the right without any sound. I inhale gently from the right nostril. I exhale from the left, gently without any sound. Last one, I inhale from the left nostril. I exhale from the right. I inhale from the right nostril. I exhale from the left. This is, friends, Anuloma Viloma. Anuloma Viloma is also called as Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama. Friends, before concluding the session, I chant 3 Omkaras followed by a Shanti mantra. I take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhurattu Sahaviryam Karavavahai तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Well, before concluding, I'm extremely sorry I had to use some more minutes from the meditation. I'm extremely sorry.